Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I am here in my hands with an amazing gift for your dad. I've gotten many of these from my daughters over the course of the years. Some are better, some are not. Actually, honestly, if you're dad and you get a gift from your daughter and or your son or whatever, and it says best dad ever, doesn't matter really what the functionality is, but here's one where the functionality will match writing on the side of it. Let's take a look at it and see what it is. Oh, and when I am done, I'm gonna give this a Doug score from 1 to 5 so you know how much I actually like or don't like this product. This is from Multitool. So as we said, it is a multi-tool gift for dad. It says best dad ever. Does a lot of different things. One of the things that I really like about it is a true hammer. There's no multi-tool here, so you could actually use this without breaking stuff. It has a socket there that you can use as a wrench, has the claw for removing nails, and it is made out of stainless steel. I mean, it has a nice powder coating on it, but it's a stainless steel product, so it's a good, solid quality product. Has 3 magnetic screwdrivers, so like you can turn these around and you have Phillips head, a regular screwdriver, and a small Phillips head. Let's see what is in here. We have, here is my personal favorite of these things. Look at this pliers. How cool is that? I mean, these are really actually a functional set of pliers. I mean, it is not often when you get a multi-tool and it has pliers that they are actually kind of worthwhile, but these are real legit pliers. You could use them as a needle nose, you could use it to grab something, and it has a wire cutter there at the bottom. I think that is super cool. And let's see what else we have here that I can show you. Okay, it has the traditional blade, and that's a nice big blade for a multi-tool. It has a nice edge on it, again, stainless steel, so that's gonna be durable. And we also have the quintessential item that you have to have for dad, the bottle opener. It also has like a serrated cutting edge. Again, it has another like multi-wrench where you can use it to remove a couple different size bolts. And then finally, you also have another regular flathead screwdriver bit there. But in the end, this is, you know, like I was saying earlier on, there's lots of these multi-tool gifts. This one says best dad ever, which you can't beat that, and you can't beat the sentiment, but I will tell you, in addition to the sentiment, this is actually a real quality product, and I have to give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. You cannot go wrong with this as a gift.